This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about table clips, specifically these Table Tek Table Clips. They're made for 3/4 inch to 1 inch thick tables. You can see they easily slide over those edges, and they're made of clear plastic. The clips themselves are 2.5 inches long and 1 inch in depth. They have a great clear finish on them that makes them unobtrusive and keeps them from being noticed, which is fantastic. They have that great hook and loop fastener on the back, allowing for you to easily attach table skirts quickly to your banquet tables and really upgrade the look and finish of your service. They're made from durable plastic for long-lasting use, and they're perfect for any event venue, restaurant, hotel, party planner, or caterer to use in event and dining room displays.